This is a final video to fix YouTube stuttering on Microsoft Edge. And if videos lag, let me ask you, are you watching YouTube on Edge and noticing choppy playback, buffering, or stuttering even on fast internet? This problem usually happens because hardware acceleration conflicts, browser cache is corrupted, or graphics drivers are outdated. Sometimes recent Windows updates, extensions, or background apps also trigger the stutter. Many people search YouTube or social media and find long guides with complicated flags, tweaks, risky driver reinstalls, or steps that feel hard to follow. Most of those fixes waste time and still do not smooth playback. But on Rexis, I focus on simple and reliable solutions. Now here is my secret easy trick. Instead of reinstalling Edge blindly, we fix the exact hardware acceleration, cache, and system configuration that causes YouTube to stutter. This works because it restores proper video rendering in Edge. The method is fast, safe, and works on all Windows PCs. Once you apply it, YouTube plays smoothly, videos load correctly, and the problem disappears. I tested this fix on multiple systems, and it worked every time. That is why Rexis shares smart, stress-free solutions. If YouTube stuttering on Microsoft Edge is frustrating you, and you want a full step-by-step tutorial with exact actions, comment below, and I will guide you completely.